Most freelancers lost their clients in 90 days. I have kept mine for around 2 years without chasing, discounting, or over-delivering myself into burnout. While others stress about where the next paycheck is coming from, I have built client relationships so strong they don't want to leave ever. And here's the crazy part, it's not because I'm the best in my niche. It's because I do 5 specific things most people don't even think about. If you are a freelancer, run an agency, or sell any kind of service online, this might be the most profitable video you will watch all year. Stick with me for 10 minutes and I will show you exactly how I make clients stay for years, even when offers can't keep them for months. Now, before I break down how I keep clients for years, I want to show you why I care so much about this. Not long ago, I was living in a broken tin house. I was trying everything to earn even the smallest paycheck, applying for low salary jobs, sending messages, reaching out to people, and nobody cared. Not about my skills, not about me, I was invisible. And honestly, I was not asking for much, just a shot, just a way out, but nothing worked. I felt stuck, like I was screaming into the void. Then I discovered freelancing, not overnight, not magically, but over time. I figured out how to deliver value, build real relationships, and turn a random project into years of income with the same clients. I'm not living some luxury yacht life, but I have built freedom, control, and I don't wake up wondering how to survive anymore. That's what retention really gives you. It's not just about keeping clients, it's about building a life that's stable, consistent, and growing. So, if you are in that stage where you are consistently chasing your next project, let me show you the exact mindset shift that changed everything for me. Here is the part nobody tells you. Clients don't leave because you are bad at your skill. They leave because you are forgettable. Retention has less to do with talent and more to do with trust, communication, and how deeply you embedded yourself into their business. I used to think if I just do great work, clients will stay. That's a lie. The internet is full of great work, but what's rare is someone who becomes irrepressible. Good work is the entry ticket, but retention, that comes from positioning yourself as a partner, not just a provider. Think about it like this. If you are just editing videos for someone, they can replace you tomorrow. But if you are the one managing the entire content workflow, helping them grow, showing up consistently, they will feel the pain of losing you. Retention is about creating pain of disconnect. When losing you feels expensive, stressful, or just inconvenient, they will stay. And it all starts with choosing the right clients to begin with. Because no matter how good you are, if you are working with the wrong type of client, none of these will work. Let me show you what I mean. Here is the hard truth. You can't keep a bad client. You can only survive them. I have learned, sometimes painfully, that retention starts before the contract is signed. If you say yes to the wrong person, no strategy will fix the chaos that comes next. Red flags I never ignore anymore. Number 1, they haggle on price in the first message. Number 2, they ghost for days, then want it urgent. Number 3, they ask questions like, why should I hire you? These are the types of clients who never stay. Not because you are bad, but because they are not looking for a partner. They are looking for cheap labor. What I look for instead. Now here is what I look for, and this is what's kept my calendar full of years. Number 1, decision makers. No middleman, no let me ask my boss energy. Number 2, long-term mindset. They care about results, not just a single task. Number 3, recurring needs. If they will need help again next week or next month, that's a green light. Back in the day, I said yes to everyone because I was scared to lose the chance. But ironically, saying yes to the wrong clients was what kept me stuck. So once you have said yes to the right client, how do you make sure they stick with you? Let's talk about something I call the sticky service framework and why most freelancers completely miss this part. Okay, I have got the right client. Great. Now let's make sure they never want to leave. The secret, you offer what I call a sticky service. It's a service that's so integrated into their business. Removing you would feel like putting out a key piece of the engine. Here is what a sticky service looks like. Number 1, it's recurring. not one of monthly ongoing supportive. Number two, it creates dependency. You are tied to something they need consistently. Number three, it simplifies their life. You save them time, make decisions easier, or remove stress. When I started offering website design, I also managed their updates, backups, speed optimizations, and even reporting. I didn't just build their site, I kept it alive and healthy every single month. That's sticky because now replacing me isn't just about hiring another designer, it means rethinking their whole system. Ask yourself these three questions. Number one, can I package my service as a monthly need? Number two, can I add something they don't want to do themselves? Number three, can I tie my work to their results, not just a task? The stickier your service, the less they think about switching, and better yet, you start stacking long term income with less effort. You don't want to be a one hit wonder, you want to be part of their business infrastructure. But stickiness alone isn't enough. You also need something that most freelancers completely forgot to build: the relationship. Let's dive into how to make clients like you so much they stay even when your competitors are cheaper or faster. Here is the truth nobody tells you. Clients don't stay because of results alone, they stay because of the relationship. You could be the best editor, designer, marketer on the planet. But if you feel cold, distant, or robotic, they will forget you the second of the project ends. But if they like you, if they trust you, if working with you feels easy, smooth, even fun, they will find reasons to keep you around. Here is what building a real relationship looks like. Number one, check in before they check on you. Don't wait for them to ask for updates. Beat them to it. Number two, send voice notes, not just emails. It's more personal, more human. Number three, remember the small stuff. A quick birthday wish, a hey, how did that lunch go message. That's what makes you unforgettable. For example, one of my clients once told me, "You are not just my freelancer, you are part of my team." And that's when I knew this isn't just about delivering tasks, it's about becoming embedded. You don't want to be the silent, replaceable contractor. You want to be the person they trust when things go wrong, the one they bring into the conversation when new projects come up, the person they refer. Quick script you can use like, hey John, I just wrapped up your design files, but I also had a quick thought on how you could improve X, not part of the scope, just thought I'll share. Boom, value, proactivity, trust. That's retention gold. Now here's the next level. Want to know how I make working with me feel smoother than their morning coffee? Let's talk about how I systemize the entire client experience. This is where most freelancers fall flat. Most freelancers operate like casual side hustlers. No structure, no onboarding, no clarity, and that's exactly why clients don't treat them like professionals. If you want clients to treat you like a business, you need to act like one. That means building systems that make working with you feel frictionless. Here is what I have built into my client experience. Number one, first, professional onboarding. As soon as a client says yes, they got a welcome message, a quick form, and a clear timeline. No guessing, no awkward waiting. Number two, consistent updates. I send weekly check ins, even if there is no update. Why? Because silence kills trust. Number three, one central workspace. Trello, Notion, or even a shared Google Doc or Google spreadsheet. Everything lives in one place. They never have to chase me or files or updates. It's not about being fancy, it's about being predictable. That's what makes clients feel safe. I even have canned email template for onboarding, mid-project updates, and offboarding. So it's fast for me and smooth for them. And here is the wild part. Most of my clients mention my process, not just my skill, when they refer me to others. So, system equal to trust, trust equal to retention. Think about it. If working with you is simple, smooth, and stress free, why would they want to roll the dice with someone new? Now, even with great systems, great work, and great relationships, sometimes things still go wrong. Clients get weird, expectations shift, red flags pop up. So, how do you handle that without losing control? That's what we are diving into next. Now, look, even with the right systems, sticky services, and solid relationships, bad energy still finds a way in. At some point, you are going to deal with a difficult client. It's not if, it's when. And how you handle it will either protect your business or burn it to the ground. Red flags I take seriously now. Number one, consistent scope creep. Number two, dodging payments. Number three, shifting deadlines without notice. Number four, aggressive or condescending tone. Here is how I handle it like a pro. Number one, set expectations early. In a kickoff phase, I clearly outline what's included and what's not, and I make sure it's in writing. Number two, address issues directly, not calmly. If a client crosses a line, I don't ignore it. I bring it up professionally, not emotionally. Something like, hey John, just to clarify, this task falls outside our agreed scope. I'm happy to help, but we would need to adjust the scope or add it to a separate task. Number three, know when to walk away. Retention is powerful, but retaining the wrong client is a silent business killer. If a client becomes toxic, I offboard them respectfully and move on. Every time I held onto a red flag client out of fear, I paid for it in stress, wasted time, and lost better opportunities. So, if you are chasing retention, remember it's not about keeping every client. It's about keeping the right ones. The ones who value you, respect you, and want to grow with you. Now, let me leave you with one final takeaway. So, let's wrap up. Keeping clients for years doesn't come from luck, it comes from intention. From choosing the right people, offering sticky, high value services, building real relationships, setting up systems, and knowing when to walk away. If you get those 5 things right, you won't just get clients, you will build partnerships. And those partnerships are what create stability, income, and freedom. If you want a solid head start, drop a comment below saying send me the agreement and I will share my freelance service agreement template with you for free. Use it, tweak it, make it yours. And if you want more unfiltered, real-world freelancing strategy, subscribe right now. I have got 7 years of lessons to share with you, and this is just the beginning.